sipping here, praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My braids are 2 months old and I am finally going to wash my braids today for the first time. Please don't judge me, it has been a very busy past few months, okay? I know what you're thinking. I didn't really had any itchy or flaky scalp because as soon as I feel some itching, I applied my secret potion and instantly the itching is gone, okay? So I didn't really have any reason to wash my hair. And as you guys can see, my scalp is not flaky as well. But anyways, this is 2 months new growth. The front is 1 month because I did do over the front because it was so messy because it was grown out and you needed to freshen up, so I did over the front. But the back I left, so the back is 2 months and the front is 1 month new growth. So today I am going to wash my hair, thank God. The reason why I'm washing it is because it started to have a little smell and I didn't like that. And of course I get some time on my hand to actually go in and wash my hair to remove as much buildup as possible. So this is all the new growth that I got in 2 months. Yep. So I'm just showing you guys all my growth. So if you're wearing braids and you're wondering how can I wash my braids without messing it up, this is how I like to do it and I feel like this works for me. So first I like to wet my hair, my entire head, to make sure it's fully drenched in water so it's easier to apply the shampoo to my hair. So after my hair is completely wet, I'm going to use the Miracle Moist shampoo. You can use any shampoo of your choice, but this is what I found. So first I'm going to put some shampoo in the middle of my hand and I'm going to use my fingertip to apply the shampoo to my scalp. So you see that? I am going in with my fingertip to cleanse my scalp. And I'm just taking a section at a time. So I give each cornrow or each part undivided attention to make sure I remove as much buildup as possible. And you want to be as gentle as possible, guys. It looks like I'm going in really hard, but I speed up most of the video. And you want to make sure you get your edges as well, because I mean we always put in products on our edges, so you want to make sure you get that. And just use your fingertip, not your nails. You don't want to scratch your scalp. You want to use the tip of your finger to just go in and try to remove as much buildup as possible. So as you guys can see around the back, I apply more shampoo to my fingertip and then I just go in there and try to go between all the parts and just like get in there, try to remove as much buildup as possible. As I said, you want to be gentle with this. And then I like to like squeeze my hair to make sure like even the length gets some cleansing as well. So after applying the shampoo to my entire head, I like to go back in with my fingertip and just go back in section and try to scrub with my fingertip to remove any buildup that I may not get, and just go in section and make sure my scalp is squeaky clean. Then I like to squeeze the length of my hair to make sure I get some of that shampoo, remaining shampoo, into the length of my hair and get out any dirt or so. So now I'm finished. I really go in there, guys, and try to get out as much buildup as possible. The shampoo process took me about 10 minutes to just, pay attention to my scalp, get out as much buildup as possible. After that, I just wash out the shampoo. You have to make sure you get out all the shampoo, guys. So it took me like pretty much 10 more minutes to wash my hair, wash out the shampoo, because I want to make sure I get out all the shampoo. Because we're wearing braids, sometimes the shampoo may get stuck in the hair. So I want to make sure you get out as much as possible. Now I'm going to apply some deep conditioner to my hair. Normally this is not the way how I apply the deep conditioner when I'm wearing braids. I normally put the deep conditioner in a bottle and pour water on it so it can be very liquefied and so it can be easier to distribute throughout my entire head. But I couldn't find my applicator bottle, so this is the way we're doing it. I know this way may not be as effective, but I mean, like, gotta do what we gotta do, right? So I'm just trying to get in the shampoo, but I didn't want it to be the deep conditioner, but I didn't want it to be in chunks, so I try to put some water on it so it can be a little more liquefied. So I'm going to squeeze the length of my hair to make sure I get some conditioner in there as well. Then I'm trying to like rub it all over my head, my scalp, squeeze the length of my hair to get some in there. And then I am going to wrap my hair up in a bun and take a shower. And after I take my shower, then I will wash out my deep conditioner. And please don't skip this part, guys, because this part is very essential. So I want to make sure you always use a deep conditioner after you shampoo your braids, because as you know, the shampoo strip your hair from its natural moisture, and you want to add back in some nutrients and moisture in your hair. Even though it's in braid, we have to make sure we treat and protect our hair underneath the braids. All right, so I'm going to do this, then I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm going to wash out the deep conditioner out of my hair, so this way it can and definitely work its magic by adding some TLC to my hair. Okay guys, so this is about 30 minutes after I came out of the shower. My hair is about 50% dry, well, the scalp at least. So now I am going to apply my secret potion, and that is my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil. This is the only product I use in my braids, guys, and I am telling you, when I apply this, my hair doesn't itch at all. This product was the only reason why I could have worn my braids for 2 months without washing it. As soon as I feel a little itching, I go ahead and apply my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil to my scalp like this, and instantly the itching stopped. And as you guys could have seen at the beginning of the video, my scalp was not flaking. This is the only reason why. Listen, let's be honest here. If we do not wash our hair for 2 months, y'all know how bad our scalp would look and how itchy and how much dandruff we will be experiencing. Come on, this product is the best on the market. Not because it's my product, but because it works 100%. Okay, so this product, my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil, it promotes healthy hair growth, thicken hair strands, treat dandruff and itchy scalp, heals scalp issues, treat bald spot, prevent hair loss, prevents premature graying, reduce hair breakage, and strengthen roots. And it also repair damaged hair, add moisture and shine to dry hair. Guys, this product is currently available on my website at hendersonorganics.com. The link will be in my description below if you're interested in purchase this amazing product. I'm not going to tell you guys anything more about this product. I'll let you be the judge of it, okay? Now my hair is clean and it smells amazing because this oil has a very natural smell. So anyway, guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, guys. Check my description below for the link below to order your very own growth oil.